and welcome to the in-depth series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about Earth's inner core and its movement, whether it is moving slow or its reverse. So this session is important for your GS 1 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about Earth's core, then we are going to discuss about the rotation speed of Earth's core, and also what are the scientists finding and impact related to this. And after this, we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So in 2023, there was a theory, and that theory says that Earth's core speed is slowing down. And this time we had a new finding which is advocating that theory. So that's why we have covered up this news. So this news is basically about the Earth's core. And as you already know that Earth's composition is very much crucial and it's very complicated also. So many new findings always comes up. But it's very important to have discussion on such findings because that affects the planets, and if it affects the planets, the climate, environment, everything will get affected. So that's why it's very important to have a discussion and to know about the debates, that what are ongoing debates on the Earth's core, mantle, crust or everything. So that's why we have taken this news that speed of the Earth's core is slowing down dramatically and has been even reversed. So last year we have got this news that this is slowing down, but this time a study says that this has been reversed after slowing down. So moving towards the next slide. Next slide is about the Earth's core. So it's very important to have a discussion on Earth's core. So we already know that Earth consists of the three parts. So this is the crust, then mantle, and then we have this core. So there is an inner core and there is an outer core. So this is about the Earth's features and composition. Here you can see that. So this is the core and it consists two things, liquid and solid, which I am going to tell you that what it consists. So Earth core is the hottest part of the planet and equivalent to the sun's surface. So that is about the Earth's core, and the core is buried around 5,180 kilometers deep inside the Earth and consists mainly of the iron and nickel. So this is very much important because sometimes in prelims examination there is a question that Earth's inner core is consist of. So you should know the composition. So it's composed by the iron and nickel, and the inner core is surrounded by liquid metal and outer core which acts as a barrier with the rest of the Earth. So inner core is surrounded by the liquid metal and outer core which acts as a barrier of the Earth. So it is often says that, and it has been also proved that Earth's inner core has an independent movement and rotation that has nothing to do with the planet's movement. So that's why it's very important to have discussion, though it's very difficult to have a study on Earth's core because till now there's no such equipment that you can directly study the Earth's core. But due to various earthquakes, various waves, seismologists had able to find out that in which direction Earth core moves and what is the speed. So it's because of the various earthquakes, various waves released by different kind of contraction. So this is the method we can find out that how Earth's core is behaving and in which direction it is moving, what is the speed and how it is different from the planet Earth and crust. So this is about the Earth's core's physical features. Now we come to another one. Is the rotation speed Earth's core slowing down? So when this debate come up, so Danish seismologist 𝐈𝐀𝐒 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐥𝐢𝐬 discovered this thing in 1936, and he discovered inner core of the Earth in 1936, and since then this is a matter of debate and discussion that whether inner cores of the Earth has a movement or not, whether it exists or not, what is the composition, if it moves in which direction, what it is different from the Earth's crust and mantle. So till that, since 1936 and this is 2024, so it is around almost 90 years, it is a part of the discussion. So since then this debate has erupted, And data from seismographs suggests that rotation speed of the Earth's inner core is different from the Earth's main planet. So this is about the seismologist opinion and their findings. Various research says that. However, in 2023, a study finds out that Earth's inner core's rotation speed is slowing down in comparison to Earth, and this time in June there was a journal which says that it has reversed. After slowing down, it has reversed. So now it is moving in a reverse direction. So there is also a matter of debate and discussion that whether it's moving or not, but this has been, scientists are proving a lot again and again that the speed is slowing down and now it's even reversed. So various studies shows that, but when it comes to the actual proof, because we don't have direct evidence to study the Earth, we can study by the various waves, by the earthquakes, by the volcanoes, eruptions. So we cannot fully claim that whether it's true or not, but various scientific sources suggest that, and most of the scientific sources suggest that the Earth's speed is slowing down and now it is reversing. And why it is important to have this movement and have a discussion on this movement, but because this can have an impact on planet and also on the human, because humans lives on the Earth. So which we are going to discuss in the next slide, that what is the impact we have. So as I had already told you that there are so much debates and discussion on the Earth's inner core movement and whether it's moving or not. But if it's moving and if it's slowing down and if it's reversing down, that can have an impact on magnetic field of the Earth. And what is the role of magnetic field here? So magnetic field's role is to prevent us humans from the solar radiation, different kind of harmful solar radiation. So if it's reverse, then we can be directly impacted by the solar radiation. Also, there can be the shorter days also. So there can be impact on the days and night and circle also. But there was a question that whether the life expectancy of the people and life cycle of the people will shorten or not. Then Vidal is a scientist who says that we cannot directly say and we cannot fully claim that whether it will have an impact on life expectancy of the human and life cycle of the human. We can't say for now. But when it comes to the magnetic field and whether it's slowing down and reversing in a different direction, then it can have an impact on magnetic field. So when it comes to the impact, we don't know what is the exact impact, but this is the impact for now. Now we come to the question part. So the question which has been already asked in 2009, and this is a core question and static question, so that's why you don't have to say that this is 15 years back question, because this is a static and you should know about the static, because this time also the UPSC has given a special attention to the static portion. So you should know about the static portion of the geography, environment and various other things. So in the structure of planet Earth, below the mantle, the core is mainly made up of which one of the following? So here I already have told you the two metals, but here they're the only one option, and this is very much easy to guess, and your options are aluminum, chromium, iron, silicon. So you have to answer this into the comment section that which one is the right answer. Then you have to also formulate this thing for your mains examination, because you already know that prelims result has been done and right now so many students are preparing for their mains examination. So whenever there will be the question that what is the impact of the Earth's inner core's movement on the human, then you don't have to directly say that these are the impacts. You have to write in that these are the potential impact we can find out, because till now no study is fully claiming that these can be the impact. These can be the potential impact, and if it has been scientifically proven, then you can say that. But you have to only write the debates and discussion which is going around the Earth's inner core and how it is going to directly impact the planet Earth and human. So your answer should be with the potential risk and potential impact, not the fully claim. You don't have to be scientist there. You have to write that what are the potential threat we can give because of this thing. So that can be useful for your mains examination. That's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. and keep revising for mains, because this is the main season. And also whenever you have to prepare for any topic, you have to always look up to the mains also, because many times what we have seen that student qualified this prelims examination but they fail in mains examination. So whenever you have to do preparation for this UPSC examination, you have to also keep mind mains preparation. So thank you for the today's session. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.